As you know that the European Union is transforming reimbursement process with the introduction of the JCA, Joint Clinical Assessment, under the new HTA regulation. So this major change aims to streamline clinical evaluations across all member states.
On this slide, you can see that it's a phased approach that will end up in 2030. So beginning of January 2025, cancer medicines or medicines addressing cancer condition and ATMPs will be subject to the ATMP, will be subject to the JCA, as well as certain classes of devices and in vitro diagnostics. By 2028, orphan medicines will be also subject into the JCA, and by 2030, in January, all drugs, all devices, and in vitro diagnostics will be subject to the JCA. There's something that, at a European level, needs to be borne in mind, that there are exceptions. It can be decided by the Commission that earlier JCA can be applied for products which have the potential to address unmet medical need, or to address a public health emergency, or has significant impact on healthcare systems from the medico-economic perspective.
So here we see two processes, the EMA marketing authorization and the JCA. You can see they are conducted in parallel, and the JCA process will be initiated after the EMA procedure starts. The JCA process ends with the release of the final report and its summary at the latest 30 days after EC approval. So following the definition of the assessment scope at about day 120, the company will have 100 days to develop and submit the JCA dossier, and even less in the case of accelerated procedure, 60 days. So this will be unmanageable unless you have well anticipated and prepared for the JCA months before the marketing authorization application.